Hey guys, welcome back to our fun cooking channel where we make delicious recipes that are easy and enjoyable for kids and parents alike. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a super simple grilled chicken recipe that even kids can make. It's perfect for a family meal or a fun cooking activity with your little ones. Are you ready? Let's get started. Cooking together can be a great way to bond and teach kids valuable skills. First things first, we need to wash our hands. Keeping clean is super important when cooking. Make sure to use soap and scrub for at least 20 seconds. Done? Great! Now, let's grab our two boneless, skinless chicken breasts and place them on a cutting board. This is a good time to talk about kitchen safety and handling raw meat carefully. If they're a bit thick, you can gently pound them to make sure they cook evenly. This step is fun for kids and helps them get involved in the preparation process. Time to make our delicious marinade. This is where the magic happens and the flavors come together. In a mixing bowl, pour in 1/4 cup of olive oil. Olive oil is a healthy fat that adds a nice richness to the chicken. Add 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. The lemon juice adds a fresh, zesty flavor that brightens up the dish. Next, toss in 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of dried oregano. These spices give the chicken a wonderful aroma and taste. Don't forget a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Seasoning is key to bringing out all the flavors. Now, mix it all up until everything is well combined. This is a great step for kids to help with, as they can practice their stirring skills. Place the chicken breasts into the marinade. Make sure they're well coated. This ensures that every bite is flavorful. If you have time, let them marinate for 30 minutes to soak up all that yummy flavor. But if you're in a hurry, you can cook them right away. Alright, let's get grilling. Marinating longer can make the chicken even more tender and tasty. Preheat your grill or grill pan over medium-high heat. Getting the grill to the right temperature is crucial for cooking the chicken evenly. Remember, always have an adult to help when using the grill. Safety first, especially when dealing with high heat. Carefully place the marinated chicken on the grill. Listen to that sizzle. It means the grill is hot enough. We're gonna cook them for about 6 to 7 minutes on each side, or until the chicken is cooked through. Make sure to turn them gently to avoid tearing the meat. The internal temperature should reach 165 degrees F. Using a meat thermometer is the best way to ensure your chicken is perfectly cooked. Once the chicken is cooked, use tongs to remove it from the grill. Be careful, it's hot. Let it rest for a few minutes. This helps keep it juicy and delicious. Resting allows the juices to redistribute throughout the meat. Now for the best part, serving. Presentation is key, so make it look as appetizing as possible. Slice the chicken into strips. This makes it easier for kids to eat and enjoy. You can enjoy it with a side of veggies, in a salad, or even in a sandwich. The possibilities are endless, and you can get creative with how you serve it. And there you have it, a simple, tasty grilled chicken recipe that's perfect for kids to make. It's healthy, delicious, and fun to prepare. Remember to always be safe in the kitchen and have fun. Cooking is a wonderful way to learn and enjoy time together. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more awesome recipes. See you next time. Keep cooking and keep smiling.